Staybridge Suites in Sacramento. Interesting. Oh man, look at this thing. Nice motor.
Nice. Impressive.
Man, this shit fell off with all the...
Keep up, especially
They used some weird cleaner that just messed it all up.
Yes, they replaced all the Aurora.
We should get that one. Nice. These are new rails too. Those aren't ThyssenKrupp rails. This one's small. Pretty good motor. Let's end it on 2. Yeah, see
The
this?
other one is a super loud door operator.
Yeah. This one's a bit smaller. It's not quite full size.
Surprised that other one doesn't have a back door. Each one of these has a back door.
That's usually a Hampton thing. You know, all the buttons are replaced. You know, maybe these were installed with these buttons. I don't know.
Possibly.
It's under level. Interesting cost.
I guess it would be